Stop scrolling. Black Friday just dropped on Amazon, and I've found the top 20 woodworking tools you absolutely need, all discounted right now. We're talking professional precision, major shop upgrades, and massive savings. We're cutting straight to the deals, starting with the king of glue-ups. Hit the links below, and let's go. If you're tired of glue-ups that twist and bow, the Jorgensen 18-inch parallel bar clamp is the upgrade you need, and it's 15% off. These clamps deliver true, even pressure across their massive jaws, ensuring your cabinet assemblies and wide-panel glue-ups remain perfectly square every single time. The non-marring pads protect your workpieces, and the built-in clamp stand is a small feature that makes one-handed adjustments a total breeze, saving you time and frustration. With 1/500 pounds of clamping force, these are workhorses built to last a lifetime. So grab a set now before the deal is clamped shut, because the precision starts here. Now, for your safety and precision at the table saw, ditch that old push stick and step up to the Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO, discounted by 25%. This multi-leg adjustable push block is a game changer for ripping thin stock and keeping your fingers away from the blade, actively reducing dangerous kickback by maintaining contact on both sides of the cut. The angled handle provides superior, comfortable control, letting you apply even pressure for cleaner cuts without your hands ever getting close to the action. It's a versatile safety tool that works perfectly on your table saw, router table, or jointer, making it a non-negotiable addition to a safe, modern workshop. Speaking of precision, let's talk about layout. Achieving flawless, repeatable layouts is easy with the massive 42% discount on the versatile Sacker 4-in-1 drilling positioning ruler. This aluminum alloy ruler is an indispensable tool, acting as a combination T-square, marking gauge, and drilling jig all in one streamlined device. Its adjustable positioning blocks let you quickly set and lock in measurements for perfect hole drilling, marking, and shelf pin placement on cabinets. The integrated dual-axis bubble levels ensure every mark and hole you create is perfectly level and plumb, significantly speeding up complex tasks like hardware or shelving installation. This is the simple measuring jig that drastically reduces layout errors and redos on every project. To keep that long stock tracking straight and true against your fence, you need the BOW Products GuidePRO GP5, now 20% off. This revolutionary guide uses a unique wheel and tension system to apply consistent, stabilizing pressure along the entire length of your workpiece. It virtually eliminates wobble, reduces burn marks, and gives you a flawless, straight-line cut every time you run wood through your table saw or router. The smooth, non-marring wheels won't damage your material, and the adjustable arm quickly mounts to almost any fence, making it perfect for both short and extremely long rips. For cuts that demand absolute perfection and control, this is the tool. This is one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you own it. The XClifes labor-saving arm jack handle 2-pack is a steal at 40% off. These heavy-duty arms are essentially precision jacks that allow you to lift, level, and hold heavy objects like cabinets, drywall, or doors with incredible ease and microscopic control. Working solo? No problem. This 2-pack lets you precisely position and install upper cabinets or appliances exactly where they need to be, dramatically reducing back strain. Forget clumsy shims and extra hands. These jacks give you the strength and accuracy of a helper in the palm of your hand for just $36. Continuing with heavy lifting, pair those jack handles with the WorkPRO cabinet jack support pole, also on sale for 15% off. This telescopic support pole extends to hold cabinets, crown molding, dust barriers, or ceiling drywall firmly in place while you secure it. Its wide, non-slip base and rotating pads ensure secure contact without marring finished surfaces, providing critical temporary support. Whether you're installing a massive kitchen cabinet alone or holding a dust barrier taut, this pole acts as a third, rock-solid hand. It works brilliantly alongside the labor-saving arms to provide vertical support for full-room installations. Adding a professional touch is all about the details, and this 5-piece round corner radius template set makes them easy with a 20% discount. These precision-machined aluminum alloy jigs give you 5 perfect, consistent corner radii, from R100 to R300, to use with your router and a bearing bit. They are the ideal solution for quickly and flawlessly shaping round corners on tabletops, shelves, and various furniture pieces, ensuring your work has a high-end, commercial feel. The bright, durable templates are easy to handle and securely position, making it simple to achieve consistent arcs every time across multiple pieces. Here's a small, inexpensive tool that solves huge problems: the XFasten double-sided woodworking tape, which you can snag for 20% off. This high-tack tape is absolutely essential for temporarily securing templates, jigs, and workpieces without the hassle of clamps, especially when using a router or flush trim bit. It holds like a beast during the cut, but peels cleanly off your finished material afterward without leaving behind any sticky residue. Seriously, for just $1, this tape will save you so much time and frustration on template work, making your small batch production faster and cleaner. If you're mortising hinges for doors or cabinets, you know the pain of squaring those rounded corners, but not anymore with the Trend Hinge Recess Squaring Corner Chisel, marked down 15%. This ingenious spring-loaded tool works by simply tapping it into the corner of your routed recess, instantly delivering a perfect, clean 90-degree square corner. It's built with a sharp chisel that precisely removes the small arc of wood left by the router bit, allowing your hardware to sit completely flush. This saves tedious hand chiseling time on every hinge, giving you that professional fit and finish in seconds. A good sharp chisel is a woodworker's best friend, and the WorkPRO 1-inch replaceable tip wood chisel is a modern take on the classic, now 15% off. This isn't just any chisel. It features an ultra-durable, razor-sharp replaceable tip that ensures you always have a perfect cutting edge without the need for constant, time-consuming grinding. The large strike cap is built for heavy blows, while the ergonomic anti-slip handle gives you great control for fine paring work and precision joints. This comes with a heavy-duty holster, making it the perfect chisel to have on your hip for on-the-fly corrections and detailed joinery. Okay, here's a cool one for those of you who also process your own firewood. The Feroca Firewood Marker Tool is 15% off and will save your back and tape measure. This simple, brightly colored jig clips onto your chainsaw bar, instantly giving you a consistent, repeatable length marker for your logs. No more guessing, no more bending down to measure, and no more uneven pieces. You just mark and cut for a uniform, perfectly stacked firewood pile. It makes processing a cord of wood dramatically faster and more efficient. So if you heat with wood or have a fire pit, this is a fun, practical gadget to grab. For those finishing stages, you absolutely need the KATA Painter's Painting Pyramid Stands, a tiny expense at 18% off. These small, non-stick cones elevate your cabinet doors, trim pieces, and small projects off your bench while finishing, allowing you to paint both sides or edges without waiting for one side to dry. They nest together for easy storage, and the pointed tops minimize contact with the wet finish, preventing transfer and ensuring a flawless finish. At this price, you can buy a massive set and finish an entire project's worth of parts without the frustrating wait time between coats. Every woodworker needs a small, maneuverable driver for those delicate assembly tasks, and the compact SKIL Twist 2.0 is an awesome deal at 23% off. This pocket-sized cordless screwdriver features a unique twist handle that locks into a straight or pistol grip, making it perfect for driving screws in tight, awkward spaces where your big drill just can't fit. It's ideal for installing cabinet hardware, assembling jig components, or doing light electronics work, giving you plenty of control and torque without stripping small screws. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and honestly, for $23, it's the most useful little driver you'll own. If you work with long stock, the trend-adjustable miter saw roller stand is a workshop essential, discounted by 27% right now. This heavy-duty stand provides crucial adjustable support for long material as you feed it through your miter saw, dramatically improving accuracy and safety by preventing the wood from drooping. The smooth, self-leveling roller bearings ensure the material glides easily into the cut, eliminating binding and the risk of kickback from unbalanced stock. It folds down quickly for storage and is an absolute must-have for framing, trim work, or any project involving long, heavy boards. Building cabinets with adjustable shelves demands a perfect drilling system, and the GOINGMAKE shelf pin drilling jig makes it foolproof. Now, 23% off. This system utilizes a clear template and hardened steel drill guides to ensure every shelf pin hole is perfectly aligned, plumb, and spaced for flawless results. It clamps securely to your cabinet side, guaranteeing perfectly parallel rows of holes, eliminating the wobble and tilt you get from freehand drilling. Stop wasting time with tape measures and pencils. This simple jig provides professional-grade results on every shelf you build. Here's a massive 46% savings on a set that instantly cleans up your screw driving. The EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. These bits are a game changer because they drill the pilot hole, the clearance hole for the screw shank, and the perfectly sized countersink for the screw head, all in a single pass. This prevents wood splitting, ensures your screws sit perfectly flush or slightly below the surface, and makes for a much stronger, neater joint. Made with titanium-coated high-speed steel, this set is a durable upgrade that makes you feel like a pro on every assembly. Let's solve the messiest problem in woodworking, glue cleanup, with the Sili non-stick wood glue brush and applicator kit, discounted by 20%. These reusable, non-stick silicone applicators mean you'll never toss a crusty foam brush again. The dried glue simply peels right off these brushes and paddle spreaders. The kit includes various shapes for spreading glue in dados, dovetails, or simply across a wide panel for a seamless glue-up. This small investment saves you money on disposable brushes and makes your post-glue-up cleanup drastically faster and less messy. Installing cabinet doors perfectly can be tedious, but not with this insane 61% off deal on the Kreg KHI-CDIJ cabinet door mounting jig. This simple yet brilliant jig supports the door while you install the hinges, holding it at a perfectly set height and position while you drive the mounting screws. It works for frameless and face frame cabinets, ensuring the reveal, the gap around the door, is consistent and level on every single door you hang. For just $13, this is the cheapest and fastest way to get professional-looking cabinet installs without needing an extra set of hands. Oscillating tools are a lifesaver for tricky cuts, and you can stock up on high-quality, long-lasting blades with the TOLESA 16 pieces extra long titanium set at 16% off. This kit gives you an array of titanium reinforced blades perfect for making deep plunge cuts, flush cuts, and fine trimming in wood, metal, and plastic. The extra long design is perfect for deeper cuts on trim and flooring, and the titanium coating ensures they stay sharp far longer than standard blades. If you use your oscillating tool often, this bundle is a no-brainer to keep your cutting edge sharp and ready. We'll wrap up the deals with the Milescraft 7300 Cabinet Kit, which is a great value at 16% off for anyone building or remodeling kitchen or bathroom cabinets. This comprehensive kit includes multiple jigs for professional, repeatable cabinet construction, covering everything from perfect cup hinge holes to precise knob and pull placement. It's the ultimate all-in-one system for drilling, mounting hardware, and installing hinges on cabinet doors and faces, guaranteeing a cohesive, factory-finish look. This kit delivers incredible efficiency and accuracy, which is exactly what you need to finish your next cabinet project flawlessly. And that's the list. 20 Black Friday game changers ready to transform your shop. Remember, these deals move fast and prices change, so grab them while you can. All direct Amazon links are in the description. Like this video if you save some cash. Hit subscribe for more tool reviews and tell me in the comments which deal was your favorite. Happy building!